Hello, my nieces and nephews, and welcome back to your auntie's kitchen. Auntie Knows Kitchen. Welcome back. And to those of you that are just seeing me for the first time, or you're just strolling on through, I hope you like the video and I hope you stick around, become one of my subs, so you too can become my niece and nephew. I just love growing my family. Today we're going to be doing auntie's, to me, in my opinion, the best vanilla caramel coffee you'll ever have, so you can save your money. Because you know, when you go to these expensive coffee shops, you have to leave an arm, a leg, and a couple of organs when you pull out, okay, just to have you a cup of coffee. But we're going to make auntie's, to me, the best vanilla caramel. I already said that. Sometimes I get rumble, stumble, crumbles, okay? So let's get started, all right, my family? Hold on. Okay, first you're going to need some coffee. You can get the vanilla. I'm using vanilla biscotti, or you can use the caramel. You can use any brand of this thing cup that you want to. Okay, you can use any. And if you don't have the K cups, you know, you can use the little thing where you can put your little coffee grinds in. Okay, you can use that if you don't have K cups. So you're also going to need some coffee syrup. I'm using the sugar-free caramel coffee syrup, okay? I'm going to be using that. You're going to need some Sunday syrup. I'm using the sugar-free caramel Sunday syrup for my drizzle and to go in my little cup. You're going to need some vanilla powder for that sprinkle dinkle. Some half and half is what I'm using. If you want that flavored vanilla coffee, you want the flavored vanilla or the flavored caramel coffee creamer, welcome to do so. It's your oyster too. Sugar or Splenda. Yes, I know what you're saying, because I'm using the caramel. That's, you know, hey, this is my oyster, okay? This is auntie's oyster. And a cup. Yes, I buy these cups in my little dewdrop in. I get like 50 of them for $2.50. So I'm not washing dishes. Even these. All my little coffee cups that I use these. It's all about convenience, because if I had to wash all the dishes and be trying to play on YouTube, I'll be in the bed. I would be in the bed, and I would never be able to do anything. No. So I got my coffee thing loaded. So we're going to do a swip and a swig on down so we can get all started, okay?